what's, why making me sit? You all also sit, no?
No, you are a legend. Thank you so much to all our friends from the Media Global. Namaste. It's a huge honor for all of us to have you all here. And of course, this very, very precious moment where we are here at this very iconic place. Well, the office, world-renowned office of our legendary architect, Hafiz Contractor. At first, thank you so much, sir, for allowing us to be a part of this beautiful room. And the fact that you did mention that this room reminds you of Pearl Ma'am. So, of course, the interior stylist, Pearl Ma'am as well. Pearl Contractor, thank you so much.
Very good, very good.
Friends, the grand unveiling of our society, interiors and design. We are truly excited to take a look at the cover page. Of course, without any further ado, we're going to have the unveiling. And before we move ahead, it's time for me to introduce all of you to our very, very dynamic gentleman, Ashok Damankar sir from Magnet Publishing, who makes it possible for everyone from the world of reality, interior design, and of course the world of architecture to truly follow and love the most amazing magazine in this beautiful world of reality. Thank you so much to Society Interiors and Design for allowing all of us to get the right inputs, and of course where sustainability is truly the need of the hour, it's always about the pioneer who's been ruling this world since 4 decades with all his love and giving that perfect space to individuals. So are we ready for the unveiling? At the countdown of 5, let's kindly request Ashok Damankar sir and our living legend, Hafiz Contractor sir. 5. Join me for the countdown. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, friends from the media, Master Urbanist presenting architect Hafiz Contractor. We're going to have a picture photo op with both of you first. So we're going to have lots of photo ops. Meanwhile, of course, changing the entire outlook, be it the city of Mumbai, Pune and Bangalore. We are truly humbled to have his presence here. Well, friends, as we always say, roti, kapda or makan. Chahe wo, of course, the beautiful way home of commercial place or residential, private or government. It's always about Hafiz Contractor name, which truly is remarkable. It's just about that one name and everyone knows it's the numero uno. Friends, we'd also like to mention some fabulous projects right from the Hiranandani Gardens Powai to the Imperial Towers to the Infosys all across the country. Sir, you look so handsome at first and your work is more than handsome. I'm going to please request.
Thank you very much.
I just had that deep look into your eyes and I realized, wow, you're so handsome as well. So thank you. I'm going to please request Pearl Contractor, a very renowned interior stylist, to kindly join us for a photo op as well. And then Condot sir, please, to kindly join us here for the unveiling. Please. Anil
Yeah,
ji.
sure. Call.
Come, chalo. Aao, bata, aao. Come. Chalo.
Winners.
Wow.
Architect Hafiz Contractor.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I like this kind of ceremonies where it hides my big tummy. You can always put it here, no? Yeah? Chalo. Okay. Good. Thank you very much.
Self, where we get to visit and experience the awesome, gorgeous Pearl Contractor. Ma'am, can we have you ahead for a photo op? Seriously.
Yeah.
It is only stunning because of you.
Sir.
The entire room.
I think we need you for project pitches.
Please put me on, sir. It's my honor. Please put me on.
Very good, chalo.
Sir, please hold the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just have one picture with all of you.
Please.
Thank you.
My own identity. Please, ma'am. Please.
Come on, Pearl.
It's
do
a
it
request.
fast, Baba.
And that's such a lovely color, by the way. Wow.
Yeah, come on.
No? It's a beautiful color. Thank you so much.
Yeah, ma'am.
Thank you so much. We like to get a say. special.
Yes, sir, look here.
Congratulations.
Sir, look here.
You're taking, hi.
Take no offense.
Oh, hi.
Yeah.
Hi. I mean, how are you?
Yes, sir, look here.
Please, ऐसे face मत दिखाओ, I'm scared. Should I give the mic to sir?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Hafiz and for giving us such wonderful opportunity to do the cover story of Society Interiors and Design magazines. It was really honor for us to carry Hafiz's story. We've been dreaming from last couple of years, saying that when will be that day will come that we'll carry the cover story. So we got this opportunity. The issue will be on the stand as well as on the social media and our regular platform. Society Interior and Design magazines enjoys a 15 lakhs connect readership of this magazines. So we are hoping that it will be a really great moment, and thank you so much, Hafiz, for giving us this opportunity. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't know
Thank
when you guys organized this thing, and I wish I was a.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Anyway.
Good.
Thank you, sir. We're going to have, yes.
Quick.
Sir, just a
Yeah.
few questions on me
Yeah.
talking of the design, the modern urban design, and you are, of course, the most beautiful feeling of just being around you. So what is it that is in, and what do you think is that message which goes to everyone? Thank you. You can wear it if you don't mind.
No, that's okay.
Sure.
See, what you're talking about, interior design, is one thing, and what you're talking about, urbanism. Now, as far as urbanism is concerned, and what I really feel about how cities should be designed, how new buildings should be designed, I don't think, you guys have covered that. And I think that is the most important point that one has to consider as how new building types should be designed. Because with India's large population and the way the world is going, then how the new way of building should be. And I think, we are doing something about it. And when that study is over, I wish you concentrate your full magazine or the major part of your magazine on that. Yes, this building is a very nice building. We did it, and I think it's a superb building. If you see the interiors also, it's very, very well done. Okay, this is one part of our work, and I feel that there is another part of our work. Okay, this is not a how. It's an office. It's a training center for what is called Birlas, where the team has done a very good job. Carl, then who else was there? I think Ali and all of that. Kalpesh, all of them have done a great job. Okay, and so many other projects are. I don't know which other project you have covered in it from our office.
Sure.
Okay, but I think it's a great thing, and I feel that as far as the Society Interior is concerned, my affiliation with Society Interior is I don't know since how many years. I remember one of the first editor. I think Indushan. No, not Indushani.
She was editor of Inside Outside. She was editor of Inside Outside.
Okay. So, but Society Interior, I think I have been, featured in it for a very, very long time, and I feel that we owe a lot to all these magazines like Society Interior, other magazines, who have been featuring architects, interior designers, and giving them a wider audience. And for that, I would say thank you very much, and congratulating you for taking this magazine. You said that you have so many readers. I wish your readership increases much more. And
So one small question. Reflecting on your diverse portfolio, which project do you think has been the most challenging for you? I know everything is a cup of cake for you, but still.
No. It's not like this. see, each and every project, we try to achieve something. And each and every project has got a different dimension, different demand. And some project, for an outsider, some project is much more important, and people keep on appreciating that. You just say the Imperial. Okay, Imperial was done for a different reason. It satisfied some different requirements. But today we are doing several other projects. Maybe the slum project, maybe this, that. Each one has got its own problems, and if we can achieve that problem and satisfy that problem, that's a big success. So there's nothing that, oh, I love this and I love that. Every day is a different journey, and every day, end of the day, what we achieve, that's the whole.
This is the way legends work. Not a single second is wasted. So thank you so much, sir. It's such a huge honor for us and a blessing to be here.
From the bride is here.
Oh, he's here?
Yeah.
Hafiz, sir, please kindly present it. The one and only a bright outdoor media. The numero uno.
यहाँ पे देखिए.
We're going to be
With the
seeing
billboards
very soon this
across
design on Mumbai, everywhere, all
the country.
yeah.
I'm very happy that Society Interiors has featured us in the magazine and covered quite a few of our latest designs and projects. I wish Society Interior all the very best, and I must say that they have really helped the architectural profession and many architects by featuring their works and showing it to the world. I thank Society Interior for that on behalf of me and my organization, and on behalf of the architectural fraternity and the interior designers fraternity. Thank you very much, Society Interior.